constantly without being stopped by our daily jobs that we have to do otherwise, and really continuously together on one place work on a project. And
that was a really good opportunity to do it like in to have time to do it basically without interruptions, like been saying.
Yeah, I like the completely different atmosphere and the people and so like what's happening between hardware and coding. When you talk to people, when you look at people, when you interact with other people from a completely different culture than what we know at home, and we have different food and we have a good time, and everything is really nice and relaxed. If you think about what we're doing here, which is really intense and hard work, every hour we made the most out of it. That was really demanding, and then these refreshing interactions with other people from different backgrounds and sciences, and the what do you call it? The tutors also. That was quite nice.
And also nice to see the other projects. Like it's so many different stuff. I never was thinking about it. Yeah. Now I see how much amazing possibilities are out there.
Because it showed me what is still lacking, and it's the proper documentation, not documentation that's good enough for, let's say, your clone to understand, but for someone who wants to build it, a pure scientist with no background whatsoever, and to give your project this proper documentation will make it much more usable when the people don't need any prior knowledge about Arduinos and motors and power supplies. So I think in the future we need to talk about to document it even further and more self-testing and way more calibration. So if you want to build real competition towards the commercial stuff, the proprietary devices, the thing must be equally good, including real numbers and not just rough estimations and hoping and guessing, but real calibrations and standards and security features and safety, and as I said, the proper documentation so everyone can understand and follow the flow of information to see, for example, the resolution of the data that can be supplied, and not just like random numbers and dates that kind of look like the real thing but maybe are not.
Of course, it's much, much cheaper than commercial lab equipment, which is here really important. And also, like I heard many stories that they got extremely expensive equipment for free, but then they didn't get any support, and then it got broken, and then the expensive stuff was just lying around. And if they build it themselves, they also know how to repair it. It maybe takes them lots of time, but if money is a big problem, that's really great.
I would point to collections of already existing interesting projects to see like the skyline of possibilities, and I would point to, for example, good YouTube channels that give you a general introduction of the language, and give them an Arduino starter kit.